Up everyone, in this video today we're gonna be lighting Wolf Warrior from Bright Star Fireworks. It's a 18 shot 500 gram, and if we spin it around here we'll get some performance and effects, which are strobing mines to gold palms with purple pearls to gold willows with green pearls, alternating with 3-stage whistling tails, brocade crown, chrysanthemum grand finale. It's got mind effects. It's average 165 feet. Noise 9 out of 10. Slightly angled. Wolf Warrior from Bright Star. 18 shots. And we'll spark it when it's dark. Just to slightly show you how the rocket, or whatever you want to call them, tubes are slightly angled.